Here we go, ClaudeHabs boxes of 11-12 certified and Crown Royale. Hot box. Fabric of the Game jersey, number to 99, Ryan Clough. Immortals of Johnny Busick. Well, I've busted 2 boxes of certified, or sorry, 3 boxes certified, and I'm 2 for 3 on hot boxes. What does it tell you? Immortals of John Tavares. And a Fabric of the Game, number to 399 of Mike Richards. Well, I'm glad you guys are taking advantage of these deals, because they are pretty stupid, as you guys can see. We got a freshman signatures of Ben Holmstrom. Immortals of Joe Mullen. And a mirror red dual jersey of Ryan Callahan, number to 150. Base. Immortals of Joe Neuendijk. And a Fabric of the Game, number to 399, Sergei Bobrovsky. We got a Milt Schmidt Certified Champions. Immortals of Patrick Waugh. And a Signatures Mirror Gold. Oh, I threw out all my checklists. Idiot. Number 109. Oh, that's pretty. Signature Mirror Gold. Carey Price. So, ClaudeHabs, I'm guessing you're a Habs fan. And I just got you a Carey Price Signatures Mirror Gold autograph. I think that worked out well. We have a rookie of Colton Sevior and a Cam Atkinson rookie auto. We've got a All the Kingsmen Prime jersey, number 250 of Ilya Bryzgalev. We have a Ruby of Lars Eller. And a Mythology jersey, Grant Fuhr. Grant Fuhr. And we finish off with a Lords of the NHL Carey Price. And a base autograph number to 99, Stephen Weiss. There you go, sir.